Okay. Hi Ramesh.
Hmm.
In last class, in day 4 class, we have seen about how to bring data from external files, external text files,
Hmm.
right? Do you remember that?
Hmm.
Yeah, and also we have seen in file statements and options. What are the different options we have? DLM option, flow over, miss over, trunk over, and stop over. Okay.
Hmm.
And also we have seen creating the SAS datasets from importing data from text to file. This is what we have seen in our day 4 class. Okay, today it's our day 5
Hmm.
class. In this we are going to see, we already discussed that we are going to have, we usually have two types of data. One is standard data and the another one is non-standard data. In standard data, character data and numeric data, which we use regularly. Character data contains letters, numbers, special characters. For example, Ravi is a character data. Okay,
Hmm.
and 9 here you can see that 94538. This is let numbers, right? This is
Wait,
also
wait. Unable to see your presentation, your screen.
oh, sorry. Sorry about that.
No. Okay.
Okay, so what I'm telling is today we are going to see character data, numeric data comes under standard data, and we are going to study about today non character data, which are date, time, currency. Okay, previously we
Hmm.
have run program based on character data and numeric data, right? Those are standard data. Okay, when it comes to
Hmm.
non-standard data, that is date, time, and currency. For example, see how date and time looks like. See, date having special characters. See, and you can see the date, right?
Hmm.
And currency comes
Hmm.
with dollar symbol and commas. Okay, these are called non-standard data. If you want to do program on non-standard data, let me show you an example. Okay, let me show you an example. Okay, data, test, input, name dollar. Why we give dollar sign? Ramesh,
Ah.
why we assign dollar sign? Can you mute yourself? Proc print data
Chandana.
equal to test. Okay, and then run. So we will get this program, right? See, now I run the program. Oh, sorry, I have given semicolon here. There is no semicolon for observation. Okay, if we run this program, we got it, right? When it comes to non-standard data, for example, date, time, and amount, is it going to come if I run the program like this? Can I try it? Let me try that. Okay, data, let's take the open date, input, college, dollar, the open underscore date, closing underscore date. Cards SHCP 03 December 999 October 1999 KTPC 04 October. So I have this data. Like earlier program, I will try to run this program. Earlier we have just standard data as our observations, but here in this program we have non-standard data, that is dates. Can I run this program now? See, did I got it? I didn't get the reopen date and closing date values. Why? Because it is non-standard data. When we have data like this, we have to apply Informat and format statement. Okay, see, because our SAS is not able to read that program. To perform some calculations using date, time and currency, we have to follow some rules. Like, first we have to convert those functions into SAS understandable format, that is standard format, like into numbers. Can we see that how we can convert into standard format? Now I want to convert this data into standard format. See, to convert that into standard format, give format statement. Which values we want to convert? Reopen date and closing date, right? Copy. Now pasting. So we have to convert this data for format. We have some format and informat statements. Let me show you that. To read that data, see, different format and informat statements we have for the values, for the date values. So for informat, if it is like DDMMYY format, we will follow that DDMMYY W dot, that means width. What is the width that we want? Like that we will assign some formats. See, what is our date format now? What is our date format? We have 03 December 1999. Okay, why we have, so let's go and look into here. 03 December 1999. In this, how it looks like? It looks like this one, right? 12 December 2003, right? That means what is the format we have to give? Date 9 dot. You can see that, right? Did you understand? Hello? Hello, Ramesh?
Chandana. Yes.
Yes, Ramesh. See, if you have date in this format, you will assign a format statement. Here, what you have, date 9 dot. Okay. If you have this one like 12/23 2003, then the format is MMDDYYB10. Okay. Let me give this date 9 dot now. Now you will understand. Okay. See, next to the date reopen, I am giving date 9 dot. Okay, and for closing date as well I'm giving date 9 dot. Okay, can I run this program now? Let me, so what I said, for this format statement converts this data into standard standard data so that SAS can be able to read this program. Okay, earlier it was not able to read the program, right? Now let me run the program. Did I got anything? No. What's the mistake? Let's go and check it in the log window. Should run. Any spelling mistakes that you can see? Ramesh? Ramesh? Hello? Ramesh?
Yes, Chandana.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes. The mistake is first I have to convert into SAS readable data, that is into standard data, which can be done by Informat, not the format. Sorry about that. Okay. Now I will run the program. Now what I got? Some numbers 14581. Did you understand what it is? What I
Yes,
have
yes.
given, I have given the dates, right? 03 December 1999. That has to be printed, right? Instead, what I got?
Hmm.
I got some numbers. What are
Hmm.
they? 14581. What is this number? Can you tell me? In this place, I need to get this right. Whenever we run program, for example, if I run this program, what I got the day observation values here,
ID.
right? 101 Ramesh, whatever I have given, I got that, right? But here, what I got? Some other numbers. See, I got this 14581. What is this numbers?
Uncharacteristic data.
Okay, let me explain you that. By default, SAS takes number. By default, SAS is counting number of days between January 1st, 1960 to 03 December 1999. Because if we didn't give any date, SAS automatically assumes that the starting date will be January 1960 first. Okay. So to get the dates in same format, make use of format statement. Okay, first we are converting this data into SAS readable format by using in format statement. To convert this data into same format that we have given like this, we have to use format statement. Now let me write format. Okay, can I run this program now?
Yes.
Did you got it now? Hello?
Yes, Chandana.
We got it now, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So this is how we use in format and format statements To convert non-standard data like this, now we have seen for dates, right? Non-format data into standard as readable format, okay? By using informat and format statements. You have any questions on this? Hello, Ramesh, do you have any questions on this?
No.
No? See, for that conversion, we have to
No,
use
Chandana, no.
informats and formats. Using format statement, we can read non-standard data, that is date, time, and currency, as numbers. That's the numbers we have seen already, right? It gave some numbers, right? Used to convert non-standard data into standard data. Then again, what we will do? Using format statement, we can read standard data, that is numbers, into date, time, and currency, used to convert standard data into non-standard data. You got it? Hello?
Yes, Chandana. Yes, Chandana.
Okay. So whenever if we need, see for example, I need the current. So this data is there, right? Let me show you. So now I have given date 9 dot, right, for this. So I want this one in the same format. What happens if we give in different, by using different format? Let me see which one you want to use from here. Can I use this one? MONYY7 dot. Can I try that? Let me try it. Okay.
Yeah.
What happens? We'll see.
Yeah.
MONYY. Sorry. YY 9 dot, right? That's what we have seen, right? See, MONYY 7 dot. Okay. 7 dot. Okay. I will keep it like this only here. Can I try it now? I just want these values to be, these reopened values to be changed to MONYY 7 dot. Now I will try to run this program. We will see what we will get. See, I got these dates in different format and these dates in different format. Can you see that? Hello? Yes, Ramesh? Hello?
Yes.
So now you can see,
Yes,
right?
Chandana. Yes,
We can
Chandana.
get different, by using format statement, we can get different values like this,
Yeah,
okay? Like however we want. See, these are the different date formats and informats, okay? If we don't give any date by default, it will consider as 01, okay? Like it considers 01, okay? Hello?
Yes, yes. Audible.
Okay. The next topic is Julian date, okay? So the next topic is Julian date. Normally Julian date is a 5 digit number in which two digits, either first two or last two, represent year, and rest three digits represents date of the year number. Okay, for example, 28th May 2012 is stored as 12148. So how it is stored as 12148? See, I am giving a number for this date, 28th May 2012. I have given it as 12148. Can you explain me it what? Why? Julian date means it is 148th day of 2012. Is it clear? See, let me explain you here. Julian date means Julian date means 148 2012. This is the date they have given to us. This means what? And the another one is 23620. What is this dates? Julian date means 148th day of 2012. This represents 236th day of 2020. Okay. If I gave like this 0118, what does this mean? First day of 2018.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Did you understand now? See. So 28 May 2012 is stored as 12148. So 121 is what? Sorry, 12 is what? Year, and 148 is 148th day, or else it will be stored like this: 148th day of 2012. Okay, since 28th May is the 148th day of the year and 12 represents last two digits of the year. The informat for this Julian is Julian 5 dot. We have seen different informats for the date, right? Like this only we have some other informats for the Julians also. For Julian we use Julian 5 dot. Okay, to convert this into normal dates. Okay, let me show you an example. We also use Julian 7 dot also, for which we have 148th date of 2012. For complete year we use Julian 7 dot, but for shortcut like this we use Julian 7 dot. Okay, let me show you an example. Now I'm taking the same program, copy. Okay, now I'm just changing.
Date,
See, 1 second.
236.
Okay, now we have some dates: 1999, 231, 1991, 123, so these are the dates we got. Okay, so so now you know what is Julian date, but people don't know. Can they understand what these dates might be? Hello? No, right? Okay, now I am going to run this program. I will change. Hello?
కనెక్షన్ లాస్ అయిపోతుంది మధ్యలో నీ వాయిస్ వినపడట్లేదు.
Okay, can you hear me now? Hello?
ఎస్ ఎస్ చందన.
Okay, now we got it in the same format, but I don't want this in this format. I want that to be in an understandable
ఎస్
format for everyone. For that, what we have to do? Can you turn off your mute? Can you turn? Okay, okay. Now we use in format statement. From in format statement, we use see, this is the informat statement. Now I use what?
Yeah.
Julian. For
Julian.
For this format, what we got? Julian 7 dot or Julian 5 dot. So if it is like this, you have to use Julian 7 dot.
Julian 7 dot.
Okay. Let me use this Informat statement here. Julian 7 dot. Okay, now let me take off this. Let's try with just with Informat what we will get. Okay, let me try this one. I got some numbers same like that, but I don't understand what it is. Let me try something else. See what it is giving is, it is giving by default it takes the starting date is 1960 what? Hello, what is the SAS
Hello.
default date?
Yeah, actually, this is another format we got it output.
But SAS
I
default
think
date is when?
1999 October, like that format given. Year, date,
No, Ramesh.
year, month, date
Wait,
given.
wait. SAS if we didn't if we didn't give any start number, SAS counts from January 1st, 1960. Okay, so it is giving difference between number of days between 1999 to 31st day to January 1960. That's what we got here. Okay, it is giving that number. How many numbers between that and
No,
this? Okay.
possible.
So now let's try with format statement. Format. Can you mute yourself, Ramesh? Now run the program. I still didn't get it. Why? I have to I have given the same format. That means no use, right? It's going to give the same format like how it is there. But I don't want that. I want something it is understandable to everyone. So what I want, in which format I want, maybe like this. If I want like this, what I have to give date 9 dot. See, for this date 9 dot, right, format, let me try that one. Date 9 dot, and here I might go different one. Why the same in format for both the ones? Maybe I will try to give this one weekday 20 dot. Okay, weekday weekday 20 dot. Now I will run the program. See, now I got it right. Now you can read it in. It is understandable to everyone. Here it is saying 19th August 999 instead of 231st day. Okay. Here I have given weekday 20 dot format. So for this what I got? See, Monday, May 3rd, 1999. Okay. This is Julian date. This is for Julian date. Okay. Is it clear, Ramesh? Or any questions?
No, nothing. No
Okay.
questions.
This is how we convert Julian date into standard data. Okay. Now we will see the time. Okay. Let me open. So we are done with Julian date already. And when it comes to time, see, if we give some time and SAS automatically assumes that it is midnight 0000 means hours, minutes and seconds. SAS time value is a time value that represents the number of seconds between midnight and a specified time. For example, I have specified a time at 1 o'clock. So it gives you how many seconds between 1 o'clock to the midnight to that day's midnight. Okay, since there are 86,400 seconds in a day, a SAS time value takes on a value between 0 and 86,400. For example, 60 seconds for 12:01 a.m. So for 1 minute. So basically it counts from 12 o'clock, that means midnight. So what I have specified 12:01. So for 1 minute 60 seconds, right? So it gives you a value like 60. Okay, since it is 60 seconds after midnight. What if I give 12 12 hours 01 minutes and 35 seconds, okay, at am? What it gives, since it is 95 seconds after midnight, so it will give you a value as 95. Okay, let me show you an example, then you will be understand. Okay, now for time, how you will do is data meeting. Let me take the same thing, copy, meeting time and closing time. Time, let me take these things out from here and I will apply format and informat later. So now I have to give time values here. So 14 0 0 0 0 and the closing time is something like 16 0 0 0 0. Here I will give 0 3 0 0 0 and here I will give 19 0 0 0 0. Okay, now this one changes to the open time. Okay, now run the program. Let's see what we will get like this. I didn't get the values right because they are not in the SAS readable format. It is a non-standard data. To convert this non-standard data into standard data, we have to use Informat and format statement like how we used earlier. Okay, let me use Informat first. Informat. Okay, so what are the informat statements we use here? Informats we have used earlier, right? Some informats for every value. So like that only for time also we have some informats. Okay, see, for time how we use time with dot. Okay, so if the time is like this, time value is like this, so your informat is time 8 dot. Okay, and if for that format is time 8 dot. If your time is in am pm format, then your informat is time 10 dot, and you can use format time am pm 10 dot. Okay, let me use Informat. So now we got this format time 8 dot. Okay, now I will put time 8 dot here. Time 8 dot time 8 dot. Okay, now let me see whether it gives the correct values or not. No, still I didn't get it because it's in Informat. But for Informat we need to get some values, right? What's the mistake? Any spelling mistakes that you can see? Let me check the log window. Syntax error, format name. The dataset work.reopen score may be incomplete, which when this step was stopped, there was 0 observations. Okay. So what was the mistake here? Okay, let me try to give format statement.
Input format. Yeah.
Okay, format. Now I will copy this. Okay, the mistake is this one. College. I don't need the college, right? That's the mistake. Now let me run the program. So now I got some numbers. What is this numbers? Earlier we studied, right? I have explained you what the SAS by default it counts from midnight of the day to till this hour. It counts the seconds. I have explained you, right? See,
Yes, yes, yes. Seconds only.
see, is a value, SAS time value, that represents the number of seconds between midnight and a specified time. See, it represents number of seconds between midnight and a specified time. What is the specified time here? 4. I mean 14 p.m. 14 p.m. means 2 p.m. basically. So it is counting number of seconds from that day's midnight to 2 p.m. Okay, and it as the same here like this. See, number of seconds 50,400 seconds. Okay, so that's what it is counting when we have given the Informat statement. Okay, let now I will give format statement to convert into readable. Okay, so now I want to convert this into am pm format. So see, if I give this, if I run the same thing, see, time 8 dot, what we will get? We will get the same values like this. Okay, let me run the program. I got the same values, right? But now I will give, what is the other format we have? Time other than time 8 dot, we have time am pm 10 dot, right? Can I show you? Okay. So what is the other format we have for time? So what? Sorry. One is time 8 dot and the another one is time 10 dot. sorry, time 8 dot and time am pm 10 dot. Okay, let me try time am pm 10 dot now. Time am pm 10 dot, and here also the same, am pm 10 dot. Okay, now I will run the program. See, now you got the am pm, right, next to the time. This is how we get in the standard readable data, okay, in the SAS program by using Informat and format statements. Is it clear, Ramesh, or any questions?
No, no, no. It's clear.
It's clear, right? Okay. Can I try time 10 dot here? Let me try that as well. What I will get? Let's see. See, for time 10 dot, what I got? 16:00:00. This is what I got. So AM PM has been removed from here. What happens if I give time 8 dot? I got the same. So this width is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let me show you that. So time W dot, see, reads time in the form of hours, minutes and seconds. So whatever the width we want, like 8 dot means you can give 8 dot, or am pm 10 dot, however you want you can give it. Okay. Okay, next is date and time values. So far we have seen date values and time values and Julian date only. Now what if we get something like both date and time values? For example, see, we have here year, date and time together. If we get values like that, how we will assign date and time format to get the report in a standard format, SAS readable format. Okay, now let's move to date and time combination. Date and time. Okay, now I will copy the first one. Okay, now I will take off this. Reopen time, date, and reopen time, date. Now I will give some time here. What I will give, something like 0, 3, 00 am. Here I will give 0 pm. Okay, change it to reopen time, date. So here we got both date and time together. Okay, now let me run this program. No, SAS cannot read this data because it's a non-standard data. Now let's convert this into standard data by using in format statement. Okay, in format. Okay, so reopen time and date, right? Time and date. And what is this date format? We have seen, right? See, we got date, time, and AM PM. Okay, let's go and see what is the correct in format we have to use. We got date, time, and AM PM. That means date time 20 dot is the correct in format we have to use here. Okay, now give date, time, sorry, for time is AM PM 20 dot. Okay, this is the in format we give. Let me run the program now. I didn't get anything. Why? Something is wrong.
We need to enter format date also.
No, no. Before that, we need to get this one, right? In format, it's as readable standard data.
Yeah, one more minute. Yeah.
What might be the. Okay, check the log now. It's saying the in format date AMPM was not found or could not be loaded. Oops, sorry. I'm so sorry. We have to give this in the format statement, not here. So this is in which format? See, let's see. We are giving now in format, right? What
Yeah, that is only in
yeah.
format data.
So what I have given now. So this is the format we have. So now we have to give in format is date time 20 dot. Okay. Now let me give date time. So for in format date time 20 dot. Okay. Now run the program. Can you see some numbers over there?
Yes, yes.
What is that numbers? It is counting from January 1st, 1962, 03 December 1999. Okay. Hello.
Yes, yes, Chandana.
So did you got it? So now I will
Yeah.
convert into standard data. I'm doing format,
Hmm.
same thing. If I want in the same format as like this in my report, what I will do is I will give the same date time 20 dot. If I want to change it to different format, then I will change here. But now let me try like this with the, I want the same format like this. So I have given date time dot 20 dot. Okay. Now run the program. I got the same one, right? What are the other formats
Yes.
that I can also give? I can also give date
Date time.
AM PM 20 dot. Okay, let me try that. Date AM PM 20 dot, which I have given earlier. Here in the format, you have to give that AM PM 20 dot. Okay, now I will run the program. See, now I got AM PM, right?
Yes.
Okay, what are the other options that I can try on? I have already tried date 20 dot, date AM PM 20 dot. Let's try date time 18 dot. What we will get? Let's see. Date time 18 dot. Okay, can you tell me what I will get if I give date time 18 dot? I have told you this 18 dot is nothing but the width of these numbers. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this is 20 numbers. So earlier I have given 20 dot. Here also in the Informat we have given 20 dot because it is 20 columns. The width is 20 columns. Okay. So here I am giving 18 dot. So let's see what we will get for 18 dot. Okay. So it took off what? It took off AM PM. Now we just got only these numbers. Okay. What if I
Yes.
give 20 dot here? Run the program. Still I got the same. Could you find any difference from this one and the earlier one? See, I will give you, here I am giving 18 dot. I am running the program. What I got earlier, what I
No,
got?
same.
No,
Same
no.
only, no?
Earlier I got 1999 here. Now I got 99, just 99. See, in
Mm-hmm.
the year I got the change. See, let me try 20 now. 20 dot. I told you, right? It's the width. It is nothing but the width. See, now I got 1999. Okay. Now let me give AM PM 20 dot. AM PM 20 dot. Now I will get AM PM. Okay. What if I give 22?
I think here also we can get.
Yes, full year. See, 199. Okay.
Yeah.
What if I give 16? It will decrease as the width. See, still I got something. But what I got? It decreased the width. It just gave me 3 o'clock and 2 o'clock. Okay. 3 a.m. and
Mm-hmm.
2 p.m. What we have missed here, these zeros, it felt like it's an extra, so need of it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, is it clear now?
Yes, yes, Chandu.
Okay, now let's move on to next topic. Next is, so far we have seen date, time, Julian date. Now we will see about amount. Okay, can you mute yourselves, please?
No need. Go, cousin. See.
Can you mute yourself, Ramesh? Amount. For amount, how we will do? For like everything, for amount also we have some numbers. See, for currency values we have in format comma w dot is nothing but the width and the dollar w dot. See, if we have currency like this, 5, this is 5 lakhs, right? If we have amount like this, we will get comma 9 dot. See what, how many number, how many, what is the width? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, if we have something like this, then we will give comma 9 dot because it is separated by comma. Okay, you can see that, right? So it is separated by comma, so we give comma 9 dot. If it comes with dollar sign, we will give dollar 6 dot because 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, dollar 6 dot. Let me show you with an example. So data, currency, input, id, employee, salary. Okay, for okay, now I will give observations. Cards, maybe 101, salary 2000, 102, salary 25000. Okay, run. Proc print data equal to currency. Now run the program. We didn't get the employee salary values because we got commas here. So let's convert this into SAS readable format by giving Informat statement. Informat, what are the options we have seen for Informat? So what we have, just the commas, right? No dollar symbol. So we will take comma 9 dot. Okay. So basically, how many numbers we have here for the width? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will take comma 6 dot instead of comma 9 dot. Comma 6 dot. Okay. Comma 6 dot for what? Employee salary. Okay. Now run the program. I just got the numbers, but I didn't get the commas. So if I want to get the commas as well, I have to give format statement. Okay, so employee underscore salary, I will give maybe dollar. Okay, dollar 7 dot format. Okay, now it will give you with dollar as well and commas as well. Okay, now run the program. See, now I got dollar 20,000 with commas. Is it clear, Ramesh? Hello?
Yes, Chandana, yes.
So you have any questions on this or it's clear? Hello? Hello, Ramesh. Can I move to the next topic?
Yeah.
Okay, what if we have, sometimes we will have decimals, right? For example, what if I have decimals like this?
Yeah.
Okay, if I have decimals like this, what I have to do is I have to count the entire number. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I have total numbers 10. So I will give 10 dot and what? 1, 2, 3. So 10 dot 3. Sorry, no. Okay, here also
Not
the
10.3. I think 8.7.3. I think.
no. So here in this case we have to first count the whole numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have to take
Okay,
first
okay.
9 and then dot how many numbers after decimal point 1, 2, 3. Okay, that thing you have to mention here. So here also the same 11 dot 3 because I want dollar as well. Okay, now run the
Hmm.
program. You no, I didn't get it. Let me let me check what's the problem. Okay, let me take off this. Okay. Um, okay, let me explain you that first. See, it was like confusing, right, for you. So I am taking 5 comma 2 3 4 dot 7 8 9. Okay, if this is my currency number, then what will be the informat? I my informat will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 dot and how many decimals? 1, 2, 3. 3 decimals. So my informat statement will be 9 dot 3. Okay, and what will be my format statement? Sorry, before that, if it is coming with commas, right? So comma 9 dot 3. And what is the format statement? Same, comma 9 dot 3 if you want the same values. So now I am doing the same here. For the informat statements, I have the comma values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I think it's 11.3, not the 10.3. My count is wrong. No, it's correct only. Let me try for comma only. Then we will try for dollar, comma 10 dot 3. Okay, I have given here extra dot. That's why I didn't get it. Now I will try this. Okay, now I got it right. Now I want the dollar here. So now I will change it to dollar. So for dollar, an extra column, right? So change it to 11 dot 3. So now you will get the values with dollar sign. So you got it right? Ramesh, is it clear now?
Yes, yes, clear. It's clear.
Okay. This is about converting non-standard data into standard data. Okay, this is how we do program for, this is how we read the non-standard data in the SAS environment. Okay, so in that what we have seen, date values first, and then what else we have seen? Julian date and time and date, amount. Okay, and amount with decimals. So next what, we have a shortcut for this Informat. Instead of writing every time this Informat statement, we have a shortcut. Let's see what is that. So instead of writing this, you can apply that. So I'm taking off this Informat. So rather than writing another Informat statement every time, declare this Informat statement in the input statement itself next to the variable. Okay. See, now this is the variable where I want to apply the Informat statement, right? So now I am applying this Informat statement with a colon. Okay. Can I run the program now? Let's see whether it comes or not without Informat statement. You got it right? So this is the shortcut. Instead of writing every time Informat statement, you can apply it next to the variable. So your Informat statement here like this. Let's see for the another one. See, now I am taking off this Informat statement here. Now I will apply this next to the variable with a colon. Okay. Now run the program. Yes, I got it. Is it clear, Ramesh? Or any confusion? See, now I will apply this
No.
next to the variable. See, now I am applying this next to the variable with a colon, and this one here as the same with a colon. And now I will take off this Informat statement. Okay, now run the program. We got it right? So this is a shortcut instead of writing Informat statement every time. Okay, is it clear, Ramesh?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is about today's class. Tomorrow we will see proc format. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Ramesh, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.